Point within a circle. This is the important geometrical secret. The secret of the square. Draw a circle and place a dot anywhere on the circumference. Then draw a line through the center of the circle that bisects the circumference. Finally, join the two places where the line meets the circumference with the dot to form a right angle. In the Middle Ages, the master mason would use this geometric principle to test the set squares of his workmen. In speculative masonry, the symbol stands for the need to have true tools, education, standards, and morals. Hexagram. This six-pointed star is made by combining the earth triangle and the water triangle. In masonry, it is known as the Seal of Solomon. Masons claim that it represents harmony, much like the yin and yang symbol. It differs from the Star of David in that the triangles in the Masonic seal interlock. Sexual connotations of the hexagram are explained by Albert G. Mackey in The Symbolism of Freemasonry. The water triangle is a female symbol corresponding to the yoni, and the upward-pointing triangle is the male, the lingam. When the two triangles are interfaced, it represents the union of the active and passive forces in nature. It represents male and female elements. Gavel and chisel. These tools are used to shape stone, or in symbolic terms, exert the will of the mason over the materials. So the gavel and chisel are associated with conscience and the repeated effort and application of the active will. The gavel is a double-headed hammer that hits the chisel. The relationship between the active gavel and the passive chisel, which is directed by the force of the gavel, is evident. The gavel is used to keep order in court, in auction houses, and in Masonic rituals, and it is a symbol of authority and power used by the worshipful master and his two wardens. The gavel of the master of a lodge is called a Hiram, after the architect of Solomon's temple, because it governs the craft. Double-headed eagle. The double-headed eagle has been used as a symbol of power for over 4,000 years, and is part of the distinctive regalia of the 32nd and 33rd degrees of Scottish Rite Freemasonry. It is often called the Eagle of Lagash, after its use in the ancient Sumerian city of Lagash. The symbol was assimilated by the Hittites, and then adopted by the Seleucid Turks and the Crusaders during the Middle Ages. The Emperor Charlemagne used the symbol in Europe, and it became an official Masonic symbol in 1758 by the body that called itself the Council of Emperors of the East and West. But the double-headed eagle is more than merely a chivalric device or a symbol of double jurisdiction. For Masons, it represents alchemical transformation of the lowly and earthbound scorpion, the sign of Scorpio, into the soaring majestic creature. The eagle is also an alchemical symbol of purified sulfur and represents the ascending spirit. The two heads can be interpreted as the union between matter and spirit.